Everything's a stinking mud hole out here, and we got 2 days of sunshine coming at us. Today we're gonna set the liner in first thing, and then we're gonna get in here and build our waterfall, and then we're gonna come back and do the reservoir down below. So everything's backwards. I'm telling you, we're digging the dirt out. We got nowhere to put anything. There's literally no place to stage it. It's just a logistical nightmare out here, and all the time that we're working, what we have to consider is that this is one of the most reputable garden centers in Knoxville, and we just can't leave mud all over the place. So we're gonna get back and do what we can until the rain comes again. We got 48 hours. You're gonna have to watch it in time lapse because I ain't got time to sit here and make a bunch of videos for you. I'm out. We're just setting a rock with it, and all the screen goes black and it says cat on the screen, and all of the lights on top are lit up red. And I got a 48-hour window of sunshine. I would love to actually get some work done. A poltergeist on this job. Now I'm talking to the guys at the rental department, and Hunter's really taking care of me down there trying to get another machine out. But you ever just get a feeling like it's just one thing after another, like something's trying to stop you? And it's just making me tenacious. Like, I can't be stopped. I am going to finish this waterfall. I don't care what happens. I will not be shut down on this deal.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a good day to work.
You know,
Nice day.
well, red lights are usually not good.
I want to show you a little bit of what we got done yesterday. We started doing the fun stuff. We got all these boulders set in here. We did some terracing, obviously. So what's gonna happen today now is we're gonna set our spillways, and we're gonna finish off what's up top, and we're gonna start working these edges in, terracing down with some of the extra accident boulders that we have on both sides. And we're gonna try to finish all but the landscaping up top right here and get this buttoned up, because that will allow us to move down here and build our reservoir. Leave it to me. I have no really plan for this job other than to just build an amazing water feature out here that 50,000 people are gonna drive by every day. So I'm just flying by the seat of my pants. By the end of the day today, this should start to look like something other than a big pile of rocks. We're literally done up top side. We did all the accent boulders around the side over there, spread the dirt out. That's finished. We got to glue the plumbing in over here and bring it down. We're going to finish out this side. Then we're going to build this reservoir today. Then literally it's onto the fountain. So we should be darn close to being able to plug this thing in by the end of the day today. And I'm pretty stoked about where we're at and how it's looking. This road right here, this has literally been the main thoroughfare through going to Knoxville, Tennessee since Knoxville, Tennessee was a thing. And everything that's been done out here construction-wise since then, there's just stuff everywhere. We have an electrical conduit running from nowhere towards the building, and it's got wires in it. And luckily, I felt it with the machine, and I pulled just hard enough that it snapped us in this coupler. We didn't actually damage any of the wires inside. This is honestly like the 5th thing that has stopped production for us out here. And that's kind of stuff you have to be ready for when you're doing commercial projects. Don't run your numbers so tight that you can't afford for something to happen, because on a job like this, it seems like something happens just about every day. We have the waterfall complete up to a point. We now have these 3 stacked slate spheres that we got from Aquascapes. You know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take my drill to them. I'm gonna drill out the tops of them so I can pump a lot more water through them. We're gonna do some ball valves and some stuff we can adjust. We're gonna run 2-inch lines instead of 3/4-inch lines. And then of course, once we get them all configured in there, we're gonna put lighting in all of them so that it shines on the waterfalls and lights up the Mayo sign and all that good stuff. We gotta work on our soil. We're gonna get all this tapered in. We have some amazing pieces of driftwood that we picked up. We're gonna work those in between. We're gonna pick up a couple more pallets of accent boulders just to really deck out the outside of this thing. We've got plant material that we're gonna go pick up.